Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a little bit of quick breaking news. So, H&K Heckler & Koch has a new Pulsar Trail 3 LRF XR50 thermal scope sight, and it's very exciting. It looks pretty crazy. So I'm just reading here from the Firearm blog website. So most shooters think of thermal as a nighttime tool, something you break out after dark for hog hunting or just low light training. But this session proves otherwise. Here's an 11-inch HKMR223 in flat dark earth running a VTAC barricade drill in broad daylight, topped with the new Pulsar Trail 3 LRF XR50 thermal rifle scope, engaging steel at about 100 meters with one shot per target and no makeups. And this guy was there. What's his name? I think his name here on the Firearm blog is Eric B, so all credit to him. But the Trail 3 LRF XR50 is one of Pulsar's current flagship rifle-mounted thermals, built around a 640 x 48 uncooled sensor with 12 pixel pitch range and sub 18 mk NETD sensitivity. Now, the 50 meters M/1 Germania objective and 3 to 24 times magnification range give you a lot of versatility for everything from close barricade work to steel at distance, and the integrated laser rangefinder, useful well beyond the 100-meter distance, pairs with stream vision ballistics for precision shot placement. In fact, once configured, it will tell you where to aim, even day or night. And with everything being made in China nowadays, especially thermal gun sights, this guy loves to use it, an all-European setup, and an HD AMOLED display and round picture-in-picture mode let you zoom the reticle zone while keeping the wider field of view, which matters when you're working around a barricade with multiple ports. And the MR223 is HK's semi-auto civilian configuration of the HK416 pattern in Europe, and in FDE it's a sharp-looking setup. First time on the barricade with a thermal, one shot per plate in a timed event. That's a clean way to find out where you actually stand. Next time, he says he'll do better, Eric B, but at least he didn't drop a single shot. Others were just faster. So thermal or night vision, which would you choose for a do-it-all low light setup? And this sight looks awesome. It looks futuristic. I like the design. Obviously, it's pretty big, but it's a thermal scope, obviously. But yeah, just a little bit of news. New Pulsar Trail 3 LRF XR50 thermal scope. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like if you like hearing about firearm news. Consider subscribing and ring the bell. That way you don't miss any video I post in the future. And until next time, I will see you guys next time.